Hi, this is Chris Plute from Global Nomads Group. We're here in beautiful Bolivia, about 13,000 feet above seawater. We've just taken one of these boats from the town of Copacabana to the Island of the Sun. So right now we're going to take an 8-kilometer hike, and I can barely breathe now, but we're going to do it. We're going to see what all the talk about Isla del Sol is all about. So come on, let's go see what it's all about. So once again, here we are on Isla Del Sol, and we met our friend.
Me llamo Juan.
Juan. Juan's going to be taking us around for the next hour, 2 hours, and he's showing us the ruins up there. It is, God, the altitude is rough, and we wanted Juan to be there in case I need to take a break and we get lost. Juan will be there to show us the way. So here we are on the banks of Lake Titicaca. We haven't even started going uphill and I'm winded. So here we are. We've climbed 4,000 meters, or 4,000 meters above sea level. We must be, I don't know, 13,000 feet. Hopefully this is going to be the highest we go. If you see out in the distance, that's all of Bolivia. And over there, you're going to find Peru. Let's go. Come on. We got a boat to catch back. This is where Juan goes back. We've been together for the last couple hours. He's done a great job showing us the sights here of the beautiful ritual sites and land of the Inca. Now I'm going by myself to hike about 3 hours to catch a boat. We only have about 2.5 hours to get there. We're in a big rush. But Juan, thank you very much for taking us around. Muchas gracias. Next time.
Thank
you.
Yeah?
So let's go. Welcome to Bolivia. Home of the Incas. Well, ladies and gentlemen, here we are. 4 hours later, 8 kilometers later. My legs are shaky. Been up and down thousands and thousands of feet. I think I finally have gotten into my altitude. But I just want to thank you for joining me on this trek of checking out Isla Del Sol, the island, the sun of the island. It's been awesome.